Aunty Donna.
Comedy Bang Bang, we're back. 2/3 of Aunty Donna are still with us here. We have Mark.
Hello.
And what?
What? I just said hello.
Yeah, I know, but then you said it, and then you looked embarrassed, like you shouldn't have said hello.
Well, I am ashamed of everything that comes out of my mouth, so that's probably
you
why.
should be ashamed of what goes into that mouth.
Oh, I am.
Boy.
We also have Broden. Hello. And Zach had to leave. Too bad. But we have a very interesting guest coming up. He works in the food industry. Please welcome to the show for the first time, American Jimmy.
Hey there, how are you today?
I'm doing really good.
Oh, thank you so much. I'm from America, and my name is Jimmy.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Hey, Jimmy. So nice. Do I call you American Jimmy? Or?
Oh, you can call me whatever. I've not been out of America before, so, American Jimmy, sure.
Not even to Canada or Mexico? Or?
Oh, no, I did. Well, I did pass through Canada. I was originally from Alaska, and I did pass through Canada on my way here in 1978. It's
one of the only ways to get here, yeah.
Yeah. But no, this is, I am an American.
Oh, good. Okay. Well, It's so nice to have you on the show. Here's a couple of Australians.
Hello.
This is Aunty Donna.
Oh, hello. You must try French fries while you are here.
Oh, is that...
He's a real American. He's talking about French fries.
Yeah.
We love to eat French fries with a ketchup sauce.
It's so good to have you on the show. You work in the food industry. I mean, you're talking about food right off the bat. So
yes, I work at an all-American diner.
Oh, really? Like a 50s diner? Or
it has a 50s theme, but it is open 24 hours every day.
50s theme and open 24 hours are not mutually exclusive.
No, it is. No, that is true. But it is. I do not work at a diner in the 50s.
Yes,
I work now.
You work now, but it has a
America.
50s theme. But you wanted to make sure people know that it is open 24 hours a day.
Oh yes, like many American diners, it is open 24 hours.
You know, it would be great if a 24-hour diner. 12 a.m., it's like 1900s, turn of the century,
yes.
Right? And then 1 a.m., it's 1910s. And then 2 a.m., it's the 1920s, the flappers.
Wow.
Then 1930s, I don't know what would happen in 1930s. What are the touchstones?
Oh, those were the Knickerbocker days.
The Knickerbocker days at 3 a.m. And then the 1940s, you have World War II, you have fedoras.
Oh, that'd be fun.
Or, that's at 4 a.m. And then so on and so on until you get to the 2020s at like 11 p.m.,
Yeah.
And so just like, and they're like, there's a crew running in and they're changing the scenery every hour on the hour.
Would you need to tip them? The crew changing?
That's another group that you'd have to tip, but I think you'd love it. I think you'd love.
I understand tipping.
You do.
It is something I am familiar with.
Because you're from America.
Oh, yes. I can get, you give me a number, I will tell you the 15 to 25% of it.
Okay, say my check is $248.
That's a great question. $240.
$248.
Yes, I know the 20% of that.
Yeah, well, you said 10 to 15?
Well, 10,
15 to 20?
I could tell you the 15, the 25, if the service is exceptional.
Okay, go ahead then.
Oh, no, I don't need to share the specifics.
Okay, got it.
But I need you to know that I do know it.
Okay, got it. Wow. Interesting. This guy knows his stuff.
He knows
From
his
America.
stuff. Hey, you were born here, right?
Yes, I was born
in Alaska.
I was born in Alaska. Yes, and I have documents proving my my time in Alaska back to 1972.
Really? Juneau?
What's this?
Juneau?
Juneau.
Juneau?
Juneau.
Juneau, the film.
Oh,
Juneau.
yes.
No. Juneau, Alaska. Is that where you're from? Is what I'm asking?
Sure. Sure, I'm from Juneau, Alaska.
Oh, okay. Good.
Yes, and I have documents on my person to prove it.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah, I can show you
You're
those
patting
documents.
your breast pockets.
Oh, yes, I keep all of the documents that trace me back all the way back to 1972. I'm sure there are more documents, but let us not get into the specifics.
Okay. Interesting. Well, this guy's a really interesting
He's
person.
an American man from Juneau, Alaska.
Juneau,
Alaska.
It's fun to be in Los Angeles, the place of Hollywood movies.
That's right. Yeah, Hollywood movies are not only filmed here, they're also sometimes set here.
Yes, I particularly love the television show La Brea because it depicts the La Brea Street.
It depicts one street in Los Angeles.
Yes.
And in fact, one intersection where there are tar pits.
Oh, yes. And those tar pits, it turns out, are small holes to another dimension with dinosaurs.
Hey, you're speaking my language right now. I'm a La Brea stan.
Oh, yes.
I know everything about La Brea.
A stan, of course, a reference to Eminem, a fantastic rapper.
And a reference to the lead of La Brea. I mean, the lead character's name is Stan.
Oh, yeah, I am sure he is.
Yep.
I'm sure his name is Stan, and he goes down to the dinosaur world.
Yep. You said diner.
Oh, yes, that is where I work, a diner.
Yeah.
Yes, I serve French fries and Reuben sandwiches.
Reubens. Wow. What about burgers? The most American of foods.
Oh, yes, I love a burger. Yeah. I love to put the meat between two pieces of bread.
Yeah, great.
It is a meatball, yes, but you can hold it with your hands.
It's like a flattened meatball.
Yeah. Yes, we press the meatball down on the all-American grill.
That's how you make a hamburger here in America, is you get some spaghetti and meatballs, toss the spaghetti.
And wipe away the sauce.
Wipe away the sauce. You don't want any of that sauce. No. Sauce is gross.
A ketchup sauce, yes.
Love ketchup sauce. But that other tomato sauce on the meatball, wipe it off.
No.
Flatten it. Just flatten it on the grill.
And then, of course, not cheddar or Jack. No, we put an all-American cheese atop the meatball.
Love it or leave it. Exactly.
Yes,
wow.
Yes.
Wow, you really know your stuff. What an interesting guy.
Yeah.
Any questions here for...
Are you from America?
Oh, yes, absolutely. I have not I came to America. Well,
you came to America?
I came to the mainland from Alaska in 1978 with the documents in my pocket to prove it. No, I was 23 at the time.
In 78, you were 23?
Yes.
Why did you mention 1972 earlier?
This is how far back we can trace my time in Alaska with the documents I can supply to you.
So when you were 17 years old, you got these documents?
Yes. These are documents from maybe work I did or perhaps some council complaints, various documents.
Council complaints? What are those? We don't say that here in America.
Oh, no, a council. Yes, that is a good point.
You are from America.
You're from America. Yes, I have an American license. I have an American...
To do what?
To drive an automobile. The most American.
He knows his stuff. He knows his lingo.
Ever since my hero, Mr. Ford.
Henry Ford?
Yes.
You liked his politics, right?
Oh, no. I love... If he was a capitalist, then yes.
Okay.
I love capitalism. Yeah, I love it.
Well, I believe him.
Yeah, I'm on board.
You're on board? What's that, bro?
American man.
Yes, a Broden. I love a Broden, a strong American name.
For me, my favorite television shows are from America. Name your top 10 shows.
Top 10.
Absolutely.
The top 10.
Top 10 shows.
Not just any 10. The top 10.
And you suppose maybe I will refer to shows from Europe in this moment, from sort of... but no, I would say I Love Lucy is number 10.
I love it. And this is in descending order, or this is in ascending order?
The number one show is my favorite show.
Okay, so it's in ascending order. Because you're going top 10 right now.
Yeah.
You said, so I Love Lucy's 10. What's 9?
Number 9 has got to be Gilligan's Island. Okay. Those silly folk from America on that little island. They make it work. The professor and the beautiful red-headed lady.
What's good about how they make it work?
Well, they use that great American ingenuity.
The can-do spirit.
The can-do spirit that we formed on the frontier. And they say, we will not let this island consume us with depression and anger and hatred. We will not fall into a Lord of the Flies situation.
Wait a minute, Lord of the Fries?
Oh, my goodness.
You're not from America.
Oh, my goodness.
Lord of the Fries?
Oh, it is true.
Who the fuck are you?
I am a KGB agent.
What? Jesus. That was so easy to get that out of him.
Just a slight misstep.
You have gotten me.
KGB?
Yeah,
they don't even call it that anymore, I don't think.
No, I mean, I have not heard back from the motherland since 1989.
You've been here that long, really?
It's very similar to the American program, The Americans.
Oh, yeah. I have a friend who was the bassist. He worked worked for the CIA at the time.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
They based the next door neighbor character on him.
That is very cool.
Yeah.
I want to know, is that the first time you've broken your cover, or is it just that easy to break your cover?
Well, no one has ever suspected me of
You've
being
never had to mention Lord of the Flies before.
No, it's, and it's interesting. I usually, my prevalence to saying the word fries plays in my favor.
I know, but not this time, buddy. I saw right through it.
Yeah, that is very interesting. I even had nuance. I was to talk of potato salad as an alternative to fries.
Yeah, no.
Wow.
Hey, what happened in 1989? Did you move and not change your number, or you did change your number and didn't forward it?
No, that was around the time that the communist regime really started to crumble.
The wall came down.
Yeah, and it didn't completely fall apart until the early 90s, but that they were not reaching out to me from 89.
Perestroika, glasnost,
yeah, all those sorts of things. But you got to understand, I don't know a lot about that because I was focusing more on American culture.
Hey, you've been here so long.
This is my real accent now.
Oh, really?
It is a flawless American accent, not because of practice, but because of
just
time.
From being here.
Yeah.
I don't mean to be rude.
Yes.
But 8 was Gilligan's Island.
Oh, you want the rest of my list?
I love
Gilligan's Island.
No, Gilligan's Island was 9.
That was 9.
Yeah, I'd love to hear the top 8.
Yeah, absolutely. I've got to be honest with you. There are a couple of
Russian shows.
I was going to say there are a couple of Russian
you can't think
shows,
of any?
but I realized I didn't put that much thought into this character.
Plugs.
This is the plug bag theme. Last time you said it was too long, so how about this?
Guys, obviously we want to plug the Magical Dead Cat Tour starting September 3rd in Australia, then coming to the States in October. Where